I'm taking out my hair tonight, and I have not had to do my hair since like I think it was the middle of March when I first put this hair in. So I'm gonna like do my hair and stuff. Get back into my natural hair care game. Leave my edges. A lock came out, so I just got it like pinned up back here. Hacks. Got pins all through here. I've been rubber banding them back in, stretching it out just a little bit, but it's been staying in for the most part pretty good. Hey y'all, so it's been about 6 weeks I think since I had this hair, and we about to get rid of it. Man, I'm nervous. I really grew to love it. Okay. Shell said it's time to wash that scalp. I'm nervous.
See what rubber band is.
Sometimes you can see it. You probably just gonna be able to pull them on out the way the rubber band's popping out. Look, you just it's sliding on out. Sliding on out because they ready.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate hump. Niggas gotta move on my religion.
You going back to your car, because I think your windows are
I look scary. Lord, do I gotta go like this? What's worse, this or wearing a bonnet out? I look scary.
Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Maybe got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is.
You lucky you ain't getting no Creighton calls.
Flares giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush.
It's cool, man. Got red bottles on. Life is good. You know what I mean?
This how much shit hair I done got. That's a lot. But I mean, 6 weeks, 100 strands a day times 6 weeks. And then, you know, it just stay in your hair and it had nowhere to go.
Exactly.
And that's how I Let me get this on camera, cause I remember y'all told me in June I wouldn't have a ponytail. Let me get this on camera. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. Let me sit right here so y'all can witness this ponytail.
It's not a setup though. You know, very smooth. But
You see that? That's a ponytail. Are you really laughing at me? Do you see his ponytail, Keila? Look at that.
Yep.
Stop playing.
Girl, just like you can see my booty in the back. Oh, that's how you feel. Daddy, do you see this ponytail?
Animated.
Thank you.
Animated.
Thank you. What'd you say? What'd you say, Daddy? What'd you say? They tryna play me. Let me show y'all my ponytail. They tryna play me. Let me zoom in so y'all can see this ponytail. With a little rubber band. All I need is a little rubber band. That's a ponytail right there.
Is it Sister Kathleen from school?
It's not a sister.
Remember, 6 weeks of shedding.
Who is it?
It's a lady friend from the birthday party.
Look like a hairball.
You know what?
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing